Shelly rice and peas. Fried chicken look delicious, guys. Look at the texture. Full of crunch. Yes. Stew pork. Wow. And here is dinner, guys. I hope that you will enjoy watching this one. So let's get straight to it. So here we're jumping straight into the video. Here I have some pork. I'm going to cut these in bite-sized pieces. And now we're going to wash this with vinegar. Then we're going to season. So welcome back to the channel, guys. To my returning supporters, thank you guys so much for all the support. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for future uploads. And for the season I'll be using, I'm using some homemade seasoned blend. This have ginger, a lot of garlic, scallion, thyme, a lot of good spices, guys. And for the powder season, you can use those of your choice, but I'll try to add the season that I'll be using on the screen, or I put them in the description box below. So I'm just going to season this, and then we put this to marinate, and we move on to the other things that we'll be preparing for dinner. So continue watching, guys.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
All this Saturday evening, so all this will be ready for me to cook Sunday morning for dinner. So I'm just going to cut my chicken, and I'm going to have a full video of this, of how to cut an old chicken 10 nice pieces. So watch along, guys. As I said, a full video of this one will be up further on.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
So we can put it in the fridge for cooking. And here is Sunday morning cooking, early morning. This, guys, I should have put my peas to soak last night and I totally forget. So I'm going to use the pressure pot. And this is small red beans. We call them round red in Jamaica. So I'm just going to wash this, add some garlic, and put this to cook. I'm going to start to prep my pork for cooking as well. I already removed it from the freezer so it can go down to room temperature. And I'm going to add a bit of soy sauce and a bit of browning to this because I'm doing a fast one. Normally I will do the caramelized sugar. I can't manage to do that now, so I'm going to just add some browning, add my oil for heating up, and then just add my meat. I separate the season and put that aside so I can use it for later. So continue watching, guys, and just watch me as I complete this dish. But I'll come back in a bit.
Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain.
For the chicken, I'm going to do double dip. So I have a bowl with ice cold water. I'm going to dip my chicken in the flour, shake off the excess, dip in the ice cold and back in the flour. And I'm going to allow these to rest for a couple of minutes before frying. So continue watching, guys, and I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. But if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment, and also put your bell on for future uploads.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my
Just
grave.
keep adding water until our meat is tender enough. And if you know, you know. Now I'm seasoning my oil for frying my chicken, and I add a piece of pepper and some garlic cloves. And this is the crust that I'm talking about, guys. When you leave a chicken to rest, then it forms the crust. So fry the chicken until they're completely done. Place on paper towel, and we move on to the rest of
When you feel low,
dinner.
you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Got my juicy fried chicken, guys. Crunchy outside and juicy inside. Yes.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel
Chicken ready, crunchy, and look really good. So now we're preparing the season for our rice. We have scallion, thyme, add pepper, a piece of green bell pepper, and a piece of ginger. And I'm checking on my peas, and my peas good enough. So I'm just going to add my coconut milk. I'm using coconut milk powder. Yes. So I'm just going to just dump that in my pot, stir it. While it's boiling, it will dissolve on its own, and add my season and just allow that to boil for a couple of minutes while I'm prepping my rice. So continue watching, guys.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine.
Allow the peas and the season to boil up for a couple of minutes. Then we add the rice. Here I'm checking on my pork, and this is tender enough. So now I'm just going to add some more water, cut some more fresh vegetable. Even though we have that we use to marinate, I'm going to cut some fresh veggies, and also carrots and potato to add to my pork.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
For the rice, I'm using white and brown, but I'll be using more brown than white. So I'm just going to wash this so we can add it to our already seasoned peas. Continue watching, guys.
You can still go, even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta put the switch in.
Delicious stew pork ready. Chicken fried and ready as well. Here's my delicious fried chicken. Yes, rice and peas ready as well. And I make some salad off camera and also fried plantain. Here's my rice and peas. Yes. And here is my finished dish I put together, guys, for my Sunday dinner. So tell me, what did you prepare for dinner today? And we all enjoyed our dinner. So if you watch up to this minute, thank you guys so much. So just like the video, share the video, hype the video, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.